Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger Panther Pink 1/2/18 car made by Highway 61. So if you like Mopars and darts, stay tuned, take a look at this video, and subscribe my channel and click the bell for news. So let's unbox this car and take a better look at it. And here we have the Dart, the Panther Pink Dart. That's a 1970 Dart, and this is the same model I've shown before in a black color and before in an orange color with a vinyl roof. This car has got a 340 engine, the same engine of 6-pack but different carburetor. So let's take a peek at the front of it. Front grille, which is perfect, it's very realistic, as well as the emblem, the air intakes, the bumper, which is very realistic, has no cast markings at all. In 1970 they have no bumper guards, they're just in 1971. And as we open the hood, which opens and closes correctly, we can see that hinges have the same mechanism of the real Dart. The engine is very realistic, it's very well made, really. It's a 340 with a 4-barrel carburetor. We can see the air filter, the alternator, all cables and wires, valve covers, reservoirs, brake system, battery, radiator, everything. It's really, I would say for Highway 61 they are beyond perfection. Even the grille, that's not a grille, but it's just a plastic cast-in mesh with the chrome trim and the black elements. We can see that's made correctly. As we see, it closes correctly. This is what differentiates Highway 61 and more expensive brands from cheaper brands. The windshield wipers and windshield are perfect. The trim around the windows is perfect. There's a little part of the trim that's missing here, but I'm going to touch it up with a chrome pen, so it's not a big deal. As we open the door, we can see that this very nice black interior, a bench seat that tilts actually, headliner, a dashboard, and a stick shift is on the floor. Dart Swinger badge, which is here for 1970 and here for 1971, right close to the pinstripe. Door handle, which is very well made. The wheel wells are correct. The wheels and tires, those really look very nice. I like those Goodyear tires. 1970 rear with these tail lights. 1972 they're couples, they're double tail lights. Trunk, the trunk lid that opens and closes correctly with the correct hinges, just like in a real car. There's a rubber seal here around the gas pipe, jack, and a spare tire would be underneath this mat. It's not here actually, but in a real car it's underneath this mat. License plate and dual exhaust. Rear blinkers are made of acrylic. Highway 61 really does an excellent job. As we open the driver's door, you can see the steering wheel. It really steers with the front wheels. I'm moving the front wheels, so the steering wheel is supposed to move. The dashboard, this looks a little bit more at a Barracuda dashboard than the 1969 Dart dashboard, which is different. Sun visor, just folding it back to place. And as we look at the bottom, we see Dodge Dart is a unibody, just like we're used to seeing. The bottom of the car is made in primer at the center, a body color at the edges, mufflers, drive shaft, the axles, suspensions, engine, tranny, gas tank, everything is correct. It's the right color. Suspension actually works both in front and the rear. The engine made in the correct color is a hemi-orange. Drive shaft is functional actually. As we turn the rear wheels, it turns with them. Mufflers. So everything in this car is really, really, really wow made. That's what I like about Highway 61 cars. They're really fantastic. So I would give this car from 0 to 10 a solid 10, really. Highway 61 is awesome. So, to touch up that trim, I'm going to use this Uni paint marker, which is not an ordinary pen, but a paint pen actually. So I'm going to touch it up and correct that missing part of a trim. So let's go to it. Well, the trim is done. It's finished. It's not exactly like the chrome because Highway 61 actually uses chrome, not a silver color. But anyway, it's better than having that failure we had before. I usually use the same pen to do some detailing in Hot Wheels cars, especially those tiny trims and stuff like that. I have one that's finer than that one, so it's even better for those details. So I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your likes in the comments below, and also do follow me in my Facebook Diecast channel page, and stay tuned for news, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.